Hello, in this video I'm going to explain how we can add a navigation menu to our Streamlit application. Now we only need a few lines of code and we can add a sidebar with a navigation menu on it. So we're going to start with importing Streamlit as ST, and then we need to import Streamlit option menu. So if we haven't installed Streamlit option menu, we need to write pip install Streamlit option menu, and we need to write that in our terminal. I already have it installed, so it's not gonna reinstall it. Its requirement already satisfied. So we're gonna import from Streamlit option menu, we're going to import option menu, and now we're going to add the sidebar. So we're going to write with st sidebar double dots selected equals to option menu, and now we're going to add our preferences. So the first thing we're going to do is to add a title. So menu title equals to, we're going to call it just menu, comma, and then the next thing is going to be the options, so the different pages that we're going to add to our menu, to our navigation menu. So the first one will be the home page, so home, and the second one will be the about us page, so about, and the third one will be the contact page, comma, and the next one is the icons. This is optional. But Streamlit option menu works with Bootstrap, so we can add Bootstrap icons to it. We can look it up on Google when we write when we search Bootstrap icons. When we search for Bootstrap icons in Google, the first website that appears is the Bootstrap website. So here we can search for the different icons that we want to use. So whatever icon we want to use, we can write in our editor and it will display on our menu. I already chose my icons, so I will return to the editor, and so I chose house, heart, fill, and calendar 2, heart, fill, and the third one is gonna be the envelope, heart, fill. Now we can also choose a menu icon. This is also optional. We're not obliged to use that. Again, we can search for in the Bootstrap icons which one we want to use, and I'm going to use the hearts, eyes, fill, and then we're going to set the index to 0, default index 0. Now we're going to write our pages, so if selected equals to home page. Then we're going to say st title welcome to the selected, which will be home page. And now we can copy and paste this 2 times. Oh, we need to make sure that the if statement is here and not within our with statement. So I'm gonna copy and paste this 2 times, and here I'm going to change home to about and home to contact. And right now our menu is finished, so now we can save it. and I'm going to run it and check if it works. So I'm going to say Streamlit run navigation menu dot py, and I'm going to click enter, and it works. Oh, I see that the menu icon isn't working. Probably I made a mistake somewhere. Okay, I need to write here emoji. Probably it's gonna be the error. And now it works. So here we have the home page. Welcome to the home page, welcome to the about page, and welcome to the contact page. So this is how we can make a simple sidebar menu in Streamlit.